Today we're going to review how to install the Microsoft Authenticator app and set up multi-factor using an iPhone. To start, open the App Store. We're going to search for Microsoft Authenticator or simply Authenticator here, and you should see Microsoft Authenticator pop up on the list. After you select that, don't be deceived by the first listing here. This is an advertisement for something unrelated. But take a look down a little bit. You'll see Microsoft Authenticator right here. Go ahead and get that or press the cloud. Once you've got this, go ahead and open it. And then agree to the terms of service here. We're going to add a work or school account specifically. And it'll begin the process of enrolling us. Here, we'll sign in with our email address, as well as the password related to this account. It'll prompt us to open a web browser to finish setting up. We'll do that here. And it'll have us sign in once again. We'll be prompted that more information is required. Hit Next. And it'll begin the process of setting up the authenticator here. Scroll down here and you'll see that we can start using the Microsoft Authenticator. We'll hit Next. And then you'll see here in the blue text, pair your account to the app by clicking this link. Go ahead and click that blue text. We can open the authenticator here. And then we'll allow notifications. And we can see it's added it here. If we were to click on this, we might see some information about what it just added, including a random code that's being generated every 30 seconds. You can ignore this code. You do not need to record it at any point in time. It'll be here when you need it. Go ahead and double tap the home button of the iPhone at this time in order to show you the running applications. And you can go back to Safari or wherever it was you were just configuring that authenticator pair. We'll need to hit Next here, and it'll provide us a code. Remember this code for just a moment, 42 in this case. Yours will be different. Pull down the notification tray, and you should see a notification from the Microsoft Authenticator. We should leave on important time-sensitive notifications. We should allow the authenticator there to give us the notifications, and then we'll click on Approve Sign In. This is where we can enter that code, 42 in this case. Again, yours will be different. Now go ahead and double tap the home button to show the running applications again. And we're going to go back to Safari again. Give it just a second, and it should notice that we approved that. Now we'll hit Next. Confirm that you have a United States +1 code phone number there, and then enter your cell phone number. It's going to go ahead and send you a text message for further verification at this time. Once you get that code, go ahead and enter it here. And then hit Next. There's one last step to follow before we're finished. Go back to the Authenticator app and open your account. You should now see Enable Phone Sign In. Go and open that. And if you have 2 green check marks here, then you can continue. If you don't have 2 green check marks here, you might consider opening a support ticket. After pressing continue, it might ask you to sign in once or twice again, including an authenticator prompt, but that should be it. You're ready to roll. While that last step might be optional for now, it will be mandatory in the future for important security updates, and it does give you access to passwordless sign in. That allows you to, at any sign-in screen, use the app instead, whereby you'll get the same code you're used to here, a notification on the iPhone, and the ability to sign in without actually having to remember your password. Eventually, this will be the only way we sign in, but for now, passwords will be maintained. Moving forward, you don't need to actually open the Authenticator app off of your open shortcuts or anything of that nature. You should just see notifications for it coming down in the tray in the top. You can always slide those down if you slide the notification tray down from the top if you're looking for it and can't find it. But this is where you're going to see approval for your active sign-in attempts. It may also include a map. This map might not be accurate. It should be accurate to a country level, but to the state level, you can expect some discrepancies. This is just a part of the technology, unfortunately, but its real aim is to show you some inclination of the activity of the account. And if you see something that looks very suspicious and you're not actively trying to sign in, this is a great opportunity to get in touch with us. If you do have any more trouble with it, though, feel free to open up a support ticket or give us a call. Thanks so much and have a great day.